Giselle is living on her boat in Antwerp in Belgium, and it has 30 square meters inside living space. In total, it's 14 meters long. And the best part of living in the city on the boat, the rent is very cheap, so you pay like 300 a month only. And she bought this boat, it was just a shell, and she built everything herself and with help of friends. So these doors and windows are actually from old hotel in Belgium, and here we have a porch. I feel when it's a bit better weather than today. And here are French doors. When you enter, we have a Here is Giselle, the owner, who built this boat. In the front, have a kitchen and working space. Everything is from recycled materials, even oven and stove proper size. And yeah, here you have working desk. Vintage steering wheel. Is it steering wheel on the boat? How do you call that?
I think, I'm not sure. I also call it a steering wheel also.
Vintage steering wheel with a small lounge to use it and have a look all these panoramic windows. Here at the bottom is a sleeping room, bedroom with a queen size bed. And behind this curtain is a toilet. And there is a storage and engine bay. About the washing machine, I guess you have here laundry space as well?
Yeah, we have a laundry space. I also have like the connections to put my own laundry machine in this boat.
Okay.
But I'm
at the bottom.
Yeah, at the bottom,
storage.
yes, in the storage room. But I'm collecting money for a bigger water tank.
Yeah.
So it's easier to do in my laundry and also my dishes.
If you would have done it again, would you have done something differently or go for a bigger boat? Or?
Maybe I would go for a boat with a bathroom.
Okay.
So I could have my own shower.
Yeah.
So now I can shower here at the harbor. They have like I think 6 or 7 showers. Or I can shower at my friend's boat. So that's nice. But sometimes it's also nice to just have your own private bathroom.
Yeah.
So maybe I would buy a little bigger boat. And also with a little bit more space to when friends want to come over in winter, we can have like dinner with I think 5 or 6 people. Now we can move the table to the middle and we can do it. But if I would buy a new boat, it will be a little bit bigger.